Good day, viewers. I'm Okocha P. Marcel, and this is my channel. Happy Sunday to you all. If you are a Christian, I hope you went to church today. It is a very beautiful day over here. Let's go straight to the point of the issue today. One of my friends who is a lawyer chatted me yesterday evening. It was late, so I couldn't do the video yesterday. And he was asking me, he said, I perceived a rerun election. And if it happens to be a rerun election, it is usually somebody that came out first and the second in the election. Are you sure that the way the court proceeding is going, that P2B will participate in the rerun election? So that is the purpose of this video, and that is the title of this video. If it happens that they are going to be a rerun election or a new election, will P2B participate in the forthcoming election? According to him, that he perceived that there will be the cancellation of the general election, the presidential election, and they are going to be rerun. Yes, this is a question that a lot of people have been asking in their mind, and a lot of people have been thinking about it. P2B came out third. If we have rerun election today, it is usually somebody that came out first and second. So what is the chances of the Labour Party? What is our chance? Are you sure that we are going to participate in this forthcoming election? Now, first of all, I have to start telling him what I want to tell you now. Who told you that P2B came out third? You see, there is something that people don't still know about this ongoing court procedure. P2B is not going to court because he came out third. If we came out third and everything was free and fair, there is no reason and no point going to court to go and say you want to reclaim your mandate. P2B going to court, it is a clear definition that he won the election. Now, let me give you a brief sketch of Nigerian politics. You see, if you don't have political structure, you know, before election, they were telling P2B, you don't have a political structure, you can't win any local government, talk less of a state, you can't win anywhere. Because they were referring to the political structure of having a councillor, having a local government chairman, having House of Assembly members, having senators, House of Representatives, having governors. That if you have these people, they will protect your vote, they will rig the election for you, and you will emerge as the winner. Now, let me tell you the truth. This structure used to work for them. It works for them in this manner, in the sense that for P2B to come out with 6.something million votes, that is to say that P2B pulled up to 12 million votes during this presidential election. I want to make it more clearer to you. If you don't have anybody that is in a political position and you are vying for any election in Nigeria, even though you have the whole total number of voters from that place, they will rig you out, because they will carry the results that they have casted that day. They will carry it to the state headquarters and they will return print the ballot boxes and change so many things. Why? Because you don't have somebody in the political position who will interfere. That is what they did to Mr. Obi. And that is why the issue of beavers is very important in this election, because having been they transmitted the whole election result from the polling unit direct to the server, if you like, carry it to everywhere you like. They have already transmitted it. So the result they transmitted is going to prove who really won the election. So that is why Supreme Court, in the case of Adeleke in Osun State, declared the PDP winner of the election. Yes, because the issue of beavers is not something they should put aside because of the Electoral Act of 2022. So those who are thinking that P2B came out third in this election, P2B did not come out third. P2B really won the election. You see, state by state, if they bring the original copies of the result sheet, the one they give to the agents or to the police, they will also print the beavers. I mean, the one they uploaded. Yes, it is not all of them they uploaded. Even those INEC staffs that uploaded offline, it later went online when the network entered the beavers. And that is the problem INEC have now, because they are unable to defend the difference between what they uploaded online, the result they called. Last month, BBC, the British Broadcasting Service, they gave some analysis on the investigation they carried out in Rivers State election. So they saw that, yes, P2B won this election, but the result they called, they said Tinubu won. So these are the issues we are talking about. So if you are among the people that has been asking such questions, Peter Obi did not come out third, but he came out first. And the reason why they suppressed his vote, even though rigging election has become something normal in Nigeria, they have normalized it, but it was because Peter Obi was not having political, office holders in different states who could stood against rigging the election. But kudos to the obedience, kudos to the masses who stood for him to make sure they even protected that 6 million plus vote. Yes, the remaining vote is left for the judiciary to return to the rightful owner. So that is the answer I have for that question. I am Okochapi Marcel, and this is my channel. See you on my next video.